Hey everyone, this is Guide with Samuel. Want to start investing in Bitcoin? Here's a complete step-by-step guide to buying Bitcoin on PayPal in 2025. Step 1. Open your PayPal app and sign in. Step 2. Tap Crypto on the main screen. Step 3. Select Bitcoin BTC. Step 4. Tap Buy. Step 5. Enter how much you want to invest. You can start with as little as $1. Step 6. Choose your payment method. This can be your PayPal balance, linked bank, or debit card. Step 7. Tap Next, then review the fees and conversion rate. Step 8. Tap Buy Now to confirm the transaction. Step 9. You'll see your new Bitcoin in your PayPal crypto wallet instantly. You can sell or hold Bitcoin right in the app. Track performance over time using PayPal's crypto dashboard. That's how to buy Bitcoin using PayPal. Like and subscribe for more simple guides with Guide with Samuel.